Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about encoder. Encoder is a logic circuit which is used to encode the input. It is used to convert input into binary form. It has 2 power n inputs and n number of outputs. We can say that it has less number of output lines and more number of input lines. Encoder can be 4 to 2 encoder, 8 to 3 encoder and so on. First we can see about 4 to 2 encoder. This is the block diagram for 4 to 2 encoder. In 4 to 2 encoder we have 4 inputs and 2 outputs. In this block diagram D0, D1, D2 and D3 are inputs. Q0 and Q1 are outputs. Q1 is the MSB, Q0 is the LSB. Okay. If D0 is equal to 1, then the output will be 0, 0. If D1 is equal to 1, then the output will be 0, 1. If D2 is equal to 1, then the output will be 1, 0. If D3 is equal to 1, then the output will be 1, 1. Okay. If D0 is equal to 1, then the output will be 0, 0. So 0 is encoded as 0, 0. If D3 is equal to 1, then the output will be 1, 1. So 3 is encoded as 1, 1. Okay. The binary value for 3 is 1, 1. So if D3 is if D3 is 1, 1, then the output will be 1, 1. So this is the circuit diagram for 4 to 2 encoder. Okay. In this, if W0 is 1, then the output will be 0, 0. If W1 is 1, then the output will be 0, 1. If W2 is 1, then the output will be 1, 0. If W3 is 1, then the output will be 1, 1. Okay. So in this, Y0 is equal to W1 or W3. See the circuit diagram. Y0 is equal to W1 or W3. Y1 is equal to W2 or W3. Okay. So in the first OR gate, W1 and W3 are connected. In the second OR gate, W2 and W3 are connected. So Y0 is W1 or W3. Y1 is equal to W2 or W3. So you see the truth table. Y1 is equal to 1 when W2 is equal to 1 or W3 is equal to 1. So you see the first column Y1. Okay. So first 0, next 0, next 1, 1. Okay. Y1 is equal to 1 when W2 is equal to 1 or W3 is equal to 1. See the third row and fourth row. If W2 is 1, then Y1 is equal to 1. If W3 is 1, Y1 is equal to 1. Okay, actually 0 is encoded as 0, 0. Next W1, 1 is encoded as 0, 1. Next 2 is encoded as 1, 0. 3 is encoded as 1, 1. Okay. Y1 is 1 when W2 is equal to 1 or W3 is equal to 1. So here in the circuit we are connecting W2 and W3 to the second OR gate. So Y1 is equal to W2 or W3. Next you see the y naught. Y naught is equal to 1 when W1 is equal to 1 or W3 is equal to 1. Okay, so Y1 is equal to 1 when W1 is equal to 1 or W3 is equal to 1. So Y0 is equal to W1 or W3. So in the first OR gate we are connecting W1 and W3. So you will get Y0 is equal to W1 or W3. Okay. So now first I am applying W0 is equal to 1. W3 is equal to 0, W2 is equal to 0, W1 is equal to 0. So you will get Y0 is equal to 0, Y1 is also 0. So if W0 is equal to 1, Y1 is equal to 0, Y0 is equal to 0. Next I am applying second case. W3 is equal to 0, W2 is equal to 0, W1 is equal to 1, W0 is equal to 0. W1 is connected to only with the first OR gate. So you will get Y0 is equal to 1. Okay, so W1 is 1. W1 is connected to the first OR gate. So you will get Y0 is equal to 1. Y1 is equal to 0. So 0, 1. Okay. Next case, W3 is equal to 0, W2 is equal to 1, W1 is equal to 0, W0 is equal to 0. That is only W2 is equal to 1. Okay. So W2 is connected to second OR gate. So Y1 is equal to 1, Y0 is equal to 0. So you will get Y1, Y0, 1, 0. Okay. In the last case, W3 is equal to 1, W2 is equal to 0, W1 is equal to 0, W0 is equal to 0. So W3 is connected to first OR gate. So you will get Y0 is equal to 1. Okay. So in the last case, W3 is equal to 1. The remaining inputs are 0. Okay. So W3 is connected to first OR gate only. So you will get Y0 is equal to 1. Y1 is equal to W3 is connected to first OR gate and second OR gate both. Okay. So Y0 is 1, Y1 is also 1. Okay. So if we apply W3 is equal to 1, we will get Y1 is equal to 1, Y0 is equal to 1. Okay. This is the working of 4 to encoder. Next we will see about 8 to 3 encoder. In 8 to 3 encoder we have 8 inputs and 3 outputs. In this circuit, D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7 are inputs. Q2, Q1 and Q0 are outputs. Okay. If D0 is equal to 1, then the output will be 0, 0, 0. If D1 is equal to 1, then the output will be 0, 0, 1. If D2 is 1, then the output will be 0, 1, 0. If D7 is equal to 1, then the output will be 1, 1, 1. Okay. D0 is 0. 0 is encoded as binary value 0, 0, 0. In the second case, D1 is equal to 1. So 1 is encoded as 0, 0, 1. In the next case, D2 is equal to 1. So 2 is encoded as 0, 1, 0. In the last case, D7 is 1. So 7 is encoded as 1, 1, 1. Okay. So see the table. Q2 is 1 when D7 is equal to 1 or D6 is equal to 1 or D5 is equal to 1 or D4 is equal to 1. Listen here. Q2 is 1 when D4 is equal to 1 or D5 is equal to 1 or D6 is equal to 1 or D7 is equal to 1. So here Q2 is equal to D4 or D5 or D6 or D7. Okay. Next you see the Q1. Q1 is 1 when D2 is equal to 1 or D3 is equal to 1 or D6 is equal to 1 or D7 is equal to 1. Okay. So Q1 is equal to D2 or D3 or D6 or D7. Next you see the Q0. Q0 is 1 when D1 is equal to 1 or D3 is equal to 1 or D5 is equal to 1 or D7 is equal to 1. So here Q0 is equal to D1 or D3 or D5 or D7. Okay. So first I am applying D0 is equal to 1. Okay. So D0 is not connected to any one of the OR gates. So we will get the output 0 0 0. Okay. Next I am applying D1 is equal to 1. D1 is connected to only first OR gate. So Q0 is equal to 1. So you will get 1 at the output Q0. Q1 is equal to 0, Q2 is equal to 0. So if D1 is equal to 1, the output will be 0 0 1. Next I am applying D2. D2 is applied to second OR gate. Okay, the output of second OR gate is Q1. So Q1 is equal to 1. So if D2 is equal to 1, the output will be 0 1 0. Next I am applying D7 is equal to 1. D7 is connected to first OR gate, second OR gate, third OR gate. So Q0 is 1, Q1 is 1, Q2 is also 1. So if D7 is 1, the output will be Q2, Q1, Q0. All are 1. Okay, so if D7 is 1, the output will be 1 1 1. If D6 is 1, now I am applying D6 is equal to 1. D6 is connected to second OR gate and D6 is connected to third OR gate also. Okay, D6 is connected to second OR gate and third OR gate. So Q1 is equal to 1, Q2 is equal to 1. But it is not connected to first OR gate. So Q0 is 0. So if we apply D6 is equal to 1, we will get the output 1 1 0. Okay, this is the working of 8 to 3 encoder. Okay. So if D7 is 1, it is encoded as 1 1 1. Okay. See the binary value for decimal value 7 is 1 1 1. If D6 is 1, then the output will be 110. 6 is encoded as 110. If D5 is 1, then the output will be 101. That means 5 is encoded as 101. Okay, it converts the input into binary form. So this is the working of encoder. Okay, thank you.